If you're using a Netgear router and wondering whether you can set up a VPN on it, here's what you need to know. Netgear is one of the most popular router brands, and while their routers deliver strong Wi-Fi performance, most Netgear models cannot work as OpenVPN clients in their default configuration. This means you can't directly install a NordVPN connection on them out of the box. That said, there is a workaround. Some Netgear routers support DD-WRT, which is a third-party custom firmware. You can check online to see whether your specific model is compatible. If your router does support DD-WRT, you have the option to flash it with this firmware, which allows the router to run a VPN client. Once that's done, you can follow NordVPN's DD-WRT setup guide to configure the VPN connection. It's important to keep in mind that flashing your router is done at your own risk. The process can potentially damage the router or void the warranty, so it's best to proceed only if you're comfortable with advanced setup steps. If you run into any issues after setup, take a screenshot of your router's VPN configuration page and the connection logs under the Status and OpenVPN section. You can then send this information to NordVPN support through email or live chat for troubleshooting. If you'd rather avoid manual setup altogether, a simpler option is flash routers. They offer routers that come pre-configured with NordVPN, letting you enjoy full network protection without dealing with firmware changes. And if you're still exploring your options, you can also look into routers that are officially compatible with NordVPN to find one that fits your needs.